Who is she?
Who is who? What if you just you put on the bounce?
Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. Who is she?
Who is who now? You don't say don't act like I don't know anything. Who is who?
The lady you made love to this afternoon. Who is she?
Me? Made love with who? No, what I know. What is it now? Why you never vibrate it? They tell me who's who. They try me to force her to work from me. Me make love. No, now. No. Hey. See, I didn't tell you before. See, there's no thing for this life who ever make me cheat on you.
Stop that crap. I caught you in the act. I caught you red-handed. What are you saying?
Caught me? Red-handed? With who? No, but I know. What kind of force you caught me? Okay, fine. You say you caught me red-handed. Did I see you?
What kind of stupid question?
It is not a stupid question because if you catch the person, that person will catch go see you. Yes, now. Because if you see person, the person who you see supposed to see you. The person who you see you.
Tony.
Tony. AKA Papa.
Tony.
AKA Papa. Who they add that AKA because it's the chieftaincy title. You know they tell me tell it. Add that AKA Papa.
You are enjoying the name Papa, right?
Good, yes, I'm enjoying it. Everywhere. Don't get it.
It's all right.
Go. You hold it.
Tony. Tony.
Papa. I can't hear it. Oh, Tibuka, Papa.
Stop whatever you are doing with that girl, or you will have me to contend with.
Stop whatever
I am warning you.
What are you doing? Dada. What kind of rubbish is this now? How did she know that I was with a woman? Probably she overheard Madam Annabelle screaming. That's why I hate to do something with such persons. Why can't you get the mad on this man? Every time you are doing something, every time you are like instead of us you keep quiet. See me harder. Go me harder. Yo, daddy. Oh yeah. This is about to just calm down. At least if she maintain this, nobody will hear. But don't get who are you? My name is Papa. It's all. I cannot stop anything that I'm doing with that because I have it. This is the only thing I know how to do well.
Girl, you cannot believe what happened yesterday.
Tell me about it. What happened?
My boss took me to his car mat and asked me to pick any car of my choice.
It's a lie.
My dear friend, have I ever lied to you?
And what did you tell him?
I turned it down, of course. I told him no.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
What's me of why? Because I don't need the car.
Hey! Even when the car is for free.
Anyway, a car is not my priority right now, okay? Besides, I have a mission I want to accomplish. And accepting the car will just make me have a little soft spot for him.
This your mission thing. Can you just please spare me that? Since you don't want to let me into it, every time I have a mission, Can you just please keep it to yourself?
Well, my darling friend, I would let you on the mission I'm working on. But for now, I'll just keep it closely to my chest.
And I say kindly keep it to yourself. In fact, as it stands, I don't even want to know anything about it anymore.
But I just told you I was going to let you know when it's time for you to know. In due time, you will know about it.
But babe, you fuck up. On a more serious note, you should have collected that car. You for collect them. You collect the car and run. Go far away to a place that he will not even be able to find you.
So you mean I should just take the car and perhaps lose my job in the process?
Why are you so difficult to handle? Where I even know you from?
Are you just finding out how difficult I am?
You're too difficult. A whole car, free car. Hey!
If it was you, I'd just grab it.
Full hand.
So that you go and jump the next gate you see in front of you.
Sochi, I've been meaning to ask you something.
What's that?
Okay, now that Amani is out of your life, so what next?
What next is to focus on Pink Color.
Did you just say that?
Mm-hmm.
You left your relationship all because you want to be without your painkiller or what? I mean,
Exactly. That's why I left the relationship. And his name is Pink Color, not Painkiller, please.
a married man. A married man. You're not serious. I mean, you left a single guy to be with a married man. What is wrong with you?
That's what makes it even more interesting, you know.
How do you mean?
You know, when you're with a married man, he doesn't try to, get full ownership of you. He allows you space to, be able to test the waters. If you know what I mean.
Test the what I mean. Test different guys or what?
Whatever way you want to understand.
I don't understand. How can a church girl like you, a girl that sings in the choir, be this corrupt?
Oh, please, come off it, Nelly. What has singing in the choir got to do with anything here, girl? I am just a girl that understands and knows what she has and tries to use it to solve her problems.
You're using what you have to solve your problem.
Just a smart girl.
And then Amani has to suffer for it. Poor guy.
Poor little child. I really feel for him, but he should move on. That's the best.
Honestly, I just wish you can just have a rethink. Especially with this decision of quitting a single guy to be with a married man.
Oh, a rethink. That's rather late now. I've already crossed the Rubicon.
Really?
Oh yeah, there's no going back now.
Well, it's your decision to make.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think you should respect that.
Of course I will.
Yeah, you should.
But I just hope you're not making a mistake.
No, I'm not making a mistake.
Can lead us to temptation, so beware of your actions. The steps you take, so
Tony, you're so sweet.
That's why they call me Papa Oho. Yeah, the big good. When it comes to cow, I am number one.
I
Even
concur.
my community. And a bomb boy. What they call me in my community is a poto.
You
I make them happy. Because what's keke? They want to come back for more.
Are you serious? I hope you stop making them happy and make only me happy.
No. I'm no longer at the village now.
Here we go. Take it.
What is this?
Take it. It's 100,000. So just hold on to that for now.
100,000.
Yes.
Oh.
For a job well done, Tony.
This sounds funny. For a job well done.
Yes.
You sweet me, I sweet you. We had fun together. I have worked with Dikeh. And you're still paying me for it.
Come on. That story for another day, okay? But for now, I want you to tell me, what exactly do you take before, now making love to me? What do you take?
Nothing. Nothing.
I don't understand.
See, I don't think it is just natural from God to man. Yeah, that's why they call me Papa. That's natural. I don't take anything before going in with a woman.
You're trying to tell me that all this strength is natural.
I'm telling you.
You are blessed. You are blessed. Yes!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Madam.
Wow.
Oh, they call me Papa.
I'm beginning to fall in love with you.
Me too.
No, Tony. Don't even say that. Don't even say that.
Why?
Okay? Don't worry, I'll tell you later.
No, I'm beginning to worry you because the way we happy all of a sudden, the happiness disappear.
Don't worry, Tony. This is story for another day. Alright?
Hi.
Okay? But for now, come and see me off.
Is that a promise that you will tell me later?
Of course, I'll tell you later. For now, come and see me off.
Okay.
I want to go.
It's alright. Just hold on. You will be doing the safe. Yeah, I hope. Just hold on. Let me go and check. I hope you won't take it if I leave.
I'm the one that gave it to you, right?
Well, most times, after giving, they take.
Do I look like a pauper to you? There's more where that came from, my
Let me
leg.
hold on. Let me go and check if Madam is in the one.
Oh, okay.
I know you can be.
You still didn't leave the money behind. Tony.
Yes.
That's so sweet.
Thank you. Madam, if you say you know get car.
Car?
Yeah.
Of course I do. I have a car.
You have a car? And you know they like to drive them.
Right now my car is faulty, okay? So it's
Okay.
being repaired at the mechanic.
Oh, okay.
But then next week I am going to pick it up and then I'll start driving.
Okay. Madam,
Yes.
at this juncture, last time I will go back, make I go face what they face because what did they face me here? What did they face?
Come off it. As you face whatever it is that is facing you, just make sure that my sugar candy down here is being taken care of, okay?
Okay. Your sugar cane.
Yes.
Money here.
Alright, I have to go now, okay?
It's alright. You want to call the O?
Bye.
Okay, Mukano.
Who is she?
Oh, what is who is she? Who is waiting? Because as I talk to you now, I know well. If I tell you where from they come out now, they can't tell why we talk and the nonsense we straight no know. I know well, oh. Are they sick, oh? Are they sick? I beg. Oh, may you
will not enter this gate until you answer my question.
in the family trouble, oh. Gate will be seen. I mean the man, I mean the pay salary. Now they tell me say you don't be my madam, you don't be my guy. They tell me say I don't go enter this gate. That way they fine. You don't. If you see them, you don't go stand them. Oh, I tell you now.
Oh yeah, start talking. Start talking. Talk.
We did. I don't feel talking because you whole way I go.
Start talking.
Leave me now. Make I talk. Leave me hand now.
Okay.
Can lead us to temptation. So beware of your actions. The steps you take, someone is watching. is your way. Shut way to destruction. Shut way. Shut way to destruction. Shut way. Shut way to destruction. That seems right to you. The way. Shut way to destruction. Shut way. Shut way to destruction. The way. Shut way to destruction.
The more I sit here and do nothing, the faster the opportunity to strike slips from me. I just have to summon courage and do this. That's the only way my heart will be at peace.
Always think twice before you do something. Something. One day. 'Cause the past we always find you. Wherever you are, wherever you hide. Anything that's
What are you doing here?
Babe, good afternoon.
That doesn't answer my question. What are you doing here?
Sweetheart, I've been calling your phone severally and you're not picking your calls. So I decided to.
And how many times have I told you not to come to my house without pre-informing me? And how many times have I told you that when you call someone and they don't take your calls, you chill and call again later?
Babe, it was actually urgent and you have no choice about that.
What is it?
Babe, actually, I need money.
I gave you money some days back.
Babe, I know you gave me money, but the thing is that I'm a baller. Like, I need money all the time. It's not like that. You should understand how these things works.
So you now see me as your central bank?
Absolutely not. Babe, you can get this thing from your husband or something.
I can see that you do not have any other thing to say. You can leave.
Babe, I should leave. Right? Okay.
Yeah, hold on. How much exactly are we talking about?
Like 250K will be okay.
I'll give you 150,000.
Sweetheart, you know how these things works. Just make it 200K. Let me be able to solve out some of my problems.
Okay. You'll get an alert of 200,000 naira before you get home.
You serious about that?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, baby.
Look at that.
You know,
Look at that.
Oh, come on, darling.
Look at that.
You know you're the magic worker. No, that's why I love you. Wow. So, how am I gonna get it? You said alert, right? Alert, right?
You want to get to my bedroom?
All right. Let's leave that for another day. I'm gonna cause massive damage.
So
I'll call you later. Yeah, I got you, baby.
run along.
No, let me give you a kiss for that. Yeah, I love you, baby. Yeah. I love you, man. I love you.
Good morning, Mr. Kara.
I have told you time and time again. My name is Pink Kala. Don't ever call me Kala again. And what do you want?
Apologies.
I didn't ask you to sit down.
That's exactly what you were supposed to do the moment I walked in here.
What do you want?
Oh. Don't give me that. You know that's not a good question, right?
So what question do you want me to ask you?
Pinkala, I've missed you.
Hey, listen. This is not the place for something like this. I'm sure you know that.
Yeah, I know. It's not a place for something like this. Let's quickly rush to the hotel and have a good time. I've missed you so much.
I am busy. Can you not see that I am busy? I'm busy. Okay?
Let's just rush. Go there, have fun, and then you come back to work.
Listen, I am not a weird person. Besides, I am not in the mood. I am in the mood for work. You can't just walk into my office and try to get me into other moods. It doesn't work like that. Just leave.
Pinkala, this is the second time you're asking me out of your office in the space of 7 days. What is going on?
I'm busy and you're distracting me.
You now see me as a distraction.
I didn't say that. Please just leave.
That's what you just said. That's what you mean.
Listen to me. I am busy. I have work to do. I need to get it done today. Just leave, please.
This is not fair at all. Why are you doing this to me?
What exactly am I doing to you?
You know what you're doing. Don't make me repeat myself.
Okay. We need to know where we both stand in this relationship.
I'll appreciate if you can say it.
I'm done. I mean, I can't keep doing this, okay? You're becoming very overbearing for me and I don't think I can continue anymore. I can't. I'm sorry.
You're the one who is overbearing here. And if I were you, I would just go ahead and apologize to me with a promise never to vomit this rubbish again.
There's nothing to apologize about.
Pinkala, why did you suddenly start seeing me as a piece of shit?
I think you're getting things wrong here.
But that's exactly what's playing out here.
Margaret, you know what? Just leave and never come back. I'm done. I'm tired. Please.
So you think you can just use me, dump me and get away with it? Is that what you think?
What?
You hear from me.
Is that a threat? Are you threatening me? Are you as much as...
Body that's sweeter, sweeter. Anything where you want it, he go give you. Body that's sweeter, sweeter. Anything where you want it, he go give you. Money no be wala, wala. Make up run so boo, wala. Money no be wala, wala. Make up run so boo, wala. Body that's sweeter, sweeter. Talk what you want to, he go give you. Body that's sweeter, sweeter. Anything you want, he go give you.
No matter how hard you try, you can never take my Pinkala away from me. Get that into your thick skull.
Well, I have told you it's work hour. I would advise you go back to your office. That's if you have any. As for me, I would just gladly go back to work and focus on work. Okay? And nothing on earth will distract me.
So if they say working class ladies should come out, you too would come out.
Of course. Yes. And that's because I legitimately earn a living, unlike you, who depends solely on men for survival. Who are you?
You're very stupid for saying that to me.
Well, if there's anyone who is stupid, it's you, and certainly not me, my darling.
You know what? You're just too small for me. So there's no point wasting my saliva on you. But I'll give you my words for free. You are soon going to lose this rubbish you do here that you call a job. And by then, I would remind you of this day. Have a bad day.
That will be the day. For now, go look for another person you can steal from.
Body the sweet and anything where you want it, he go give you. Body the sweet and anything where you want it, he go give you. Money no be wahala, make up wahala. Money no be wahala, make up.
So tell me, are you in?
Of course I'm in, so long she has the money to spend.
Money. Come off it. I've told you countless times that money is not the problem. Listen, this lady I'm talking about, she is loaded. She has a lot of money to spend.
That sounds great. I'm in.
I know you're going to be in. So, when would you like to see her?
Anytime she wants. You know, I'm a freelancer, so whenever she's available or whenever she's ready, I'm available.
I know what you mean. Hey, you have to remember, my percentage remains 50%.
Mama, you still collecting 50%?
I don't understand. You want me to go lower or higher? Which one?
No. At least let's make it 60-40.
Oh, please. Don't get me irritated with that. I mean, I should be going higher, not lower. 50%, are you in or not?
It's fine, I'm in.
That's my guy. Okay, not to worry. I will call her so that we can set up a meeting. All right?
I'm waiting.
Okay.
I can't wait.
So let me drop you off.
That'll be better.
Okay.
Big mommy.
Yeah, seat belt.
When they come out. Just as you did last year. Yeah, your hair no good. See as you carry am. If you wound you.
Yeah, it's fine.
Just relax here.
Thank you.
Relax, no.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, and who are you?
My name is Margaret, and I need to give you an important information. Can I have a seat? Thank you.
Speak. Ma'am, I don't know how you're going to feel about this, but what I'm about to say is nothing but the truth.
Spill. I'm listening.
Your husband Pinkala is having an affair with his secretary in the office.
Do you have proof to substantiate your claim?
You can go ahead and ask her what she was doing at the car mats and also at the restaurant last week with your husband.
Alright. I'll ask her.
Okay. That'll be all for now.
Thank you for your unsolicited information.
You're welcome. I'll be on my way now.
Yeah.
Excuse. Good luck.
Can lead us to temptation. So beware of your actions. The steps you take, someone is watching. It's your way. Shut way to destruction. Shut way. Shut way to destruction. Shut way. Shut way to destruction.
Chidi. Money Alpha. I dey be now you dey. No tell me since you think about that girl matter.
No. No be the game matter the reason now like this. So.
Better. So why you decide to say me such an urgent matter? What did happen?
You see, Chidi, there is something I want to tell you, but I don't even really know how to go about it. I want your advice.
Wait till with that. Wait till with that. Vomit, tell me. Vomit. Memory. Vomit.
Calm down. You see, before I will tell you this thing, I want you to wear your thinking cap. Like, this is a correct matter. We say I want you to reason very well before you give me advice. We be just anything. We just, yarn me anything like that. You understand?
And man, you see the way they look you. All these fair people, na so na problem be. Owner sense, they for owner skin. But anywhere they go, anywhere they march, anywhere they step, I they carry my thinking cap inside my head, they waka. Let me the tape, vomit, tell me. What for you?
Okay. Come.
What?
I'm coming.
What for you? You see me, you dey prepare, you dey mama de babran. Bring I come, I go deliver. Why they call me deliver? Hey, brother, wait with this one. Wait with this.
JD, this is what I found in one of my customers' pockets. And not just this, also a diamond ring.
Oh, Coco.
This is dollars.
But the best you don't know see this thing with you, Abby.
No. Because, no, I don't think he knows.
Amani,
You don't know about it.
Amani, you don't blow. You don't blow. You don't excel. You don't blow.
How?
Why do you say how now? I be the pray to be successful in life.
Of course. What am I doing here? Why they hustle every day? But you know this.
This money, so you go change out our local currency and sell this diamond ring. I'm gonna fly away.
I've heard it, Chidi. I will think more about it. I will think more about it. I will give you the updates, right? What I've come up with.
Which update you want to give me? Why your brain not even the work safe? My brother go change this money, sell the money, run somewhere faster. You want? What do you think? I don't understand. I want to be fair people. Anything fair people, they must get issue where. If not get, na nyash matter. Why you dey behave like this? Change money, use money, change your life. Say you dey super every night and day, you know the rest. If you say God no help you, say na normal, say no be, say na normal, no be legit fairness. You for not black.
Stop this nonsense, man. When you think they shut down? No, see this you shut down. They shut down. If you attract madam now, madam go enter here.
Don't tell me to calm down, I beg. See, I'm unmoved right now. Don't tell me to calm down.
You are moved. Move now. Move.
Move.
Move now. Here. Go the man there, buddy. I tell you move, you won't move. Nah, are you a mugu? Calm down. Just resolve this thing now amicably. Maybe people not just enter here, they say what you without. You understand?
Okay, I'm calm. Answer my question. What are you doing with that woman?
Nothing serious now. Nothing. See, make I tell you. My game I dey play. My name is Tony Uchi Nwokoye. AKA Papa Oho. AKA Ezoho. AKA Igor. Nothing to I'm just play. All game kind of nothing.
Did you say nothing serious and you sleep with her?
That's why I said It's a game now. There's nothing serious. Nothing serious is going on.
I don't understand. Please explain.
You want me to explain?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Like I said before, a game I didn't play. Play ball. Take.
What is this?
Nah, I couldn't money, buddy. Okay, what is this now? Check it out now. Check it out. What's somebody give you something to say?
This is money. Give me.
This is money, you are right. You are intelligent. This is money. You understand? You see this money? When I do woman, me and that woman play game. And she pays me at the end of the day. So I'll give you a share.
I am not interested in this money. Take it back to her.
Back! Are you an idiot? What do you mean you're not interested? Ego money. Sweet something that is sweet. Money outside at all things. Money is a defense. Money is a threat. I tell him to take it back. If you take it back to Bokoko, what do you take it down?
I will not allow my man to make this kind of money. Secondly, if she needs some sort of satisfaction, let her get her own boyfriend.
Bah! No. Stop saying this now. Get her. Fine, I know that what I'm doing is not good with her. You understand? But this is money. It's an opportunity. Opportunity loss is hard to gain. We cannot just throw it away. See, if this woman, them, and she pays us continuously, we will never lack. Before you know it, we will move to our own house and begin to talk on how to begin to raise children.
Take this money back to her and stop whatever you're doing with this woman, or I'll do something stupid.
Look at the way you are even saying it. I am not going to take this money back. You are not going to do it. You are going to pick me car.
Okay.
So okay. Look at this idiot. Look at the bed that I'm trying to manage. I'm managing you. I am giving you money. I can with you and continue with this woman. When you may go. So have you ever given me money before? Oh, she is. Oh, she steal food from your madam. If you are money here, then I'm giving you money now to put the fire in here. Idiot. Okay, Dara. Can you imagine? You know, give somebody money, I will give you share for what I suffer.
Oh, good morning, ma'am.
What are you doing with my husband?
Oh, I don't understand, ma.
What's difficult there for you to understand?
Well, I'm not doing anything with your husband.
But you were with him at the VIP bar 2 days ago.
Yeah, that's true.
What happened there?
Well, he asked me to dinner and I obliged.
Just like that?
Of course, ma'am.
And he took you to his car mat yesterday?
You're correct again, ma'am.
What did you go to do there?
Well, he offered to buy me a car, but I declined his offer.
Oh, you secretly accepted? I just tendered 2 incriminating evidence of your escapade with my husband, and I need you to strongly deny it with proof.
It was as though I knew a day like this would come. So I decided to have my own backup plan. I actually did record everything. And you could just listen.
So I brought you here to make a choice.
A choice of what?
Choose a car and it's yours.
What?
You heard me right. Choose a car and it's yours. Just like that.
No, but that's not necessary, sir. I don't need a car. I'm okay, sir. Would you like to sit so, or would you like to see your husband? Which one?
Take care of the office and do your duty.
As always.
Can lead us to the so beware of your actions. The steps you take, someone is watching. It's your way. Shut way to destruction. Shut way. Shut way to destruction. Shut way. Shut way to destruction. That seems right to you. The way. Shut way to destruction. Shut way. Shut way to destruction. The way. Shut way to destruction. That seems right to you. Shut way to destruction. Shut way to destruction.
Oh God. I've not been this confused all my life. One voice tells me to return these items, while the other voice tells me to keep them and make some money from it. I'm in a mess right now, and I don't know what to do. Above all, I don't want to make a mistake. I need money to redefine my life, at least to prove to Sochi that I'm not created to be poor. I love her so much, and I can do anything to bring her back in my life. The only option open for me is to change this money and sell this diamond ring. But what if this man finds out that I sold the ring and changed the dollars? He may send me to jail, and that will be bad for me.
Yes?
What
Madam, come
is
down
it?
from the car. I have something to discuss with you.
Who are you?
I am Idara, Tony's girlfriend.
Tony. And who is Tony?
Did you just ask me that question?
Yes, because I mean, I've not heard that name before.
Now I know you're not only a pretender, but a chronic liar, you.
Excuse you? Hey. No, I will not take that nonsense from you. You're going to watch your mouth.
And if
you
you
understand? If you don't, my dear, I will beat you blue black here and right now.
You can't do anything. You can't do anything. I am warning you. Stay away from my man, or you will not live to tell the story.
You know, I see that as a warning. And I'm not going to take it lightly.
I have just given you a message. Leave my man alone. The choice is yours. You live or die.
What? I don't get this. Are you okay? You're threatening me. You know what? I don't blame you. Honestly, I do not blame you. Should if I slap you now, they go say I'm the wicked.
Boyfriend snatcher.
I don't have your time.
Boyfriend snatcher.
I just have to get kids to flog you.
Look at that. Shame.
Wrong way. I don't have this time. I really do not have this time.
Boyfriend snatcher.
Of course, his name is Ajayi Oladipo. Yes. Listen, if you... No, this is why I'm trying to explain, okay? If you go to the back, we have over 10 units of those buildings erected. So, of course, we're selling right now. The development is ongoing. Exactly. We're selling for $60,000 each. Do the math. Do the conversion.
Exactly.
No, with this present exchange rate. So you do the conversion and you see that nobody's being cheated. The price of building materials are very high. My brother, things are very expensive in
Bcos.
Yes. Okay. I'm gonna call you back, please. I have some guests here. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. No problem. That's all right. Thank you very much. All right. Bye. Yeah.
My man.
Hello, brother.
What's up?
How you doing?
I'm good, bro.
You all right? Hello, sir. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Great.
Bcos.
Yeah.
This is Skydove Production.
Oh, yeah.
It's a Nollywood producer, filmmaker. He directs as well.
Oh, fantastic. Nice to meet you again.
Thank you, sir.
He told me a lot about you already, and I mentioned to him that I'd like to, invest in Nollywood because I'm a big Nollywood fan. I love to watch Nollywood films, and I told him I'd like to invest. So he said he knows someone who is very, very good at what he does. He said you're a professional, so you came highly recommended.
Thank you.
So, I'd like for you to tell me, what does it take to make a film?
Well, it depends on the kind of film that you would like to invest in. So we begin from there.
Okay, so I don't have any knowledge. Like I said, I'm just a fan, and I want to come in as an investor. So it is left for you to, break it down so I can understand.
All right, sir. There are high budget films and there are low budget films. It depends on which of them is your target. Then if you are going for a high budget film, if you are planning on investing on a high budget films, then and you are obviously looking forward to return of investment,
right,
yes.
Right.
Then you should be looking forward to selling the content, or rather, airing first at the cinema. Then plan to sell the content to high streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and the rest of them.
Good.
Then on the other hand, if you're looking forward to a low budget film, your target should be YouTube, local TVs, etc. I think makes a clear point.
Well, as a businessman, I would like to go low, then I'll go high. So let's do low budget. I mean, I'm investing for the first time, so I'd like to get into the business and understand, the demography of the business before Yeah. So tell me, so speaking about investing, how much are we looking at to make a low budget film?
So I can't give you the answers to the question until I must have considered the 3 stages of filmmaking, which is pre-production, production, and post-production. And each of these categories must be well merged, taken care of. And by the time we must have put the three together, would have been able to come up with a standing budget. Then I will get back to you on that.
It's right. All right. That's good. So how many films have you produced and who are your investors?
I have done a lot of films. I've produced and directed a lot of films. I've lost count. I can mention them here now.
Oh, okay. That's a brilliant explanation. However, if I understood you correctly, you said you're a filmmaker and you can't, give me a detailed explanation how many movies you have been able to do. which I totally understand. And you said filmmaking is divided into 3 stages. You have the pre-production, production, and post-production. You need to put all of them together to come up with a budget.
Right.
Impressive. Okay. I think I like it. I would like to invest. I'm a big Nollywood fan, like I said. And I'm a very hardworking guy. And sometimes I just want to relax. And when I'm here in my office, doing some work, I like to entertain myself with my TV. And that's why I said I'm a big Nollywood fan. I constantly see all the little beauty and they look like mermaids. They look so gorgeous. And sometimes I wish I can just, grab them.
Out of respect.
Yeah. So you're going to be the link. So you're going to be the link. And guess what? If you scratch my back, I'll scratch your back. Or would you want to, expatiate more?
Skydove understands you perfectly well.
But to cut a long story short, they're very good-looking girls, and I would like to be their friends.
You heard that.
If you scratch my back, I'll scratch your back.
Sir, you see, I know precisely where you're coming from. There is a saying that he who pays the piper calls the tune.
All right, then it's a wrap. He totally understands me.
Right.
Like I said, if you scratch my back, I'll scratch your back.
Have a deal.
Yeah, that reminds me, and most importantly, I know I like to have fun, and I love pretty women, but then I also love intelligent stories. I love people who tell stories that promote the culture and our tradition as Africans. So get those actors who would like to, who love to promote the culture of their people. Because I strongly believe that you cannot teach the white man more than he knows. Do you understand me? So I feel like it is very important for us to promote the culture of our people.
So he needs to get the actors.
So get those actors that like to tell African stories.
You don't have a problem with that. I have a lot of them who have the interest in promoting African culture.
All right, good.
As well as getting you such tools that tells same.
Of course.
You're the man.
These are the direct contact to those actors.
You're the
Once
man.
he needs them,
You're the man. You're the man. You're the man for the job. Beautiful.
I will get that.
Nice to meet you, sir. You hear from me.
I know.
You will be.
So who is she?
She now my girlfriend.
Your what?
My girlfriend. That's your or you.
Tony! You mean you have a girlfriend and you did not tell me about her?
Yes, I have a girlfriend. There's no need now. Why would I be bothering you with such kind of useless information? Information that I know that we destroy something that we are having together. What do you see? I cannot give you something. The relationship with this. In fact, girlfriend, boyfriend, I'm going to hello, neighbor, finish. I don't have. What do you see? Information is a useless one. So there's no need telling you that I gotta have a girlfriend. What I mean? So, sorry, don't be offended. Now that you know that I have a girlfriend, I was still on the same page. As in, has he destroyed something?
Well, he hasn't destroyed anything and we are still on the same page.
Oh, thank you.
But I want us to pay her off so that she can leave you and walk away.
Okay. You see, make me understand more.
What else is there to make you understand? You have to talk to her to take this money. Alright? You have to make her accept to take this money. And I will pay her 250,000 naira to leave you alone.
250,000?
You heard me.
Just for her to go. I will tell her. God, that money is too much. That's a huge amount of money.
Let me worry about that. All you have to do is to convince her.
I will try. I will talk to her. It didn't need to be convinced here. Ojiego, 250,000 just to walk away. Who is that? Talk about 20,000. No. 250,000. Come get baby, stress myself. No. I will talk to her there. Just yes. Dikeh, get out of my life. When I'm a poor. You understand? So, can I have the money now?
You can't have the money now. You have to talk to her, make her accept the offer, then I'll transfer the money to your account.
That one is not a problem. No, there's no need talking to her, making her to accept it. Just give me the money. Get out. Take the...
Tony, if that is not a problem, then get to work.
It's alright. I will do that. And I am sure, I'm assuring you here and now that she will accept it.
Are you sure you don't want to be offered anything?
Not at all. Thank you, ma'am. I'm fine.
All right. I called you here to discuss something very important.
I'm listening.
Can you add domestic chores to your activities?
How do you mean, ma'am?
Okay. I am actually in their need of some help with cooking, cleaning. It's overwhelming, and don't take it the wrong way. I see that I can trust you. You've proven to be trustworthy. That's why I'm asking this of you.
But ma'am, the work at the office is already so hectic for me, and that's because I do it with a lot of professionalism and dedication. Adding house chores to it would be very strenuous for me, ma'am.
I know. But you can do it if you want to. Maybe I should just give you some time to think about it.
No. That I'll do it. Yes, I'll do it. But on a part-time basis.
How do you mean on a part-time basis?
Simple. I'll come here, say, 3 times a week. Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays. On Mondays and Wednesdays, I'll come very early in the mornings. I'll do the house chores, then go to the office from this place. But on Saturdays, I could put in, say, 12 hours before going home.
Fine. That's okay by me.
It's a deal, ma'am. So tell me, how much are you going to pay me?
I'm going to give you double what my husband pays you at the office.
Wow. That's truly generous of you, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. And one more thing. I would want you to watch my husband's activities at the office with women.
Okay. No problem. I'll gladly do it for you.
Thank you. I knew I could always count on you.
Always.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Are my clothes ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me have them.
All right, sir. No. All right, sir. This is it.
So remind me of the amount we agreed on.
Is 5,000 naira, sir.
5,000.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You didn't count the money?
No, sir. You know, somebody of your caliber cannot give me lesser than what we bargained for. Don't worry, sir. Thank you.
I can see you find it so easy trusting people.
Not really trusting people, but my spirit accepts you. That's just it, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Amani, sir. Amani.
Let me go and see what you've done. If I'm impressed, you'll do more.
Okay, sir. I pray you'll be impressed. I pray you'll be impressed, sir.
It's okay. Let's see how it goes.
All right, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir. God bless you.
Amani, what is it?
Sir, to be honest, the spirit of my father in me will not let me to go away with this.
What is that?
Your belongings, sir.
My belongings?
Yes, sir.
Amani, moments ago in your shop, you told me that your spirit has helped mine. And I'm saying the same to you. My spirit accepts yours. That is why I will touch what you're giving me.
Yes, sir.
Where did you get this from?
I got it from the pocket of your clothes, the one you gave me to wash.
Okay. Huh? Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome. All right, bye-bye, sir.
Go back and tell that woman I'm not interested in her money.
Put the money, buddy. My problem with you, you vibrate every time. Calm down now, calm down. Let's just calm down and then listen to what I want to say.
It will be a waste of time listening to you.
It will be a waste of time.
Yes.
As if say you know what I want to talk. As if say that as you did and I say you know what I want to tell you, Abi. Yeah?
I know what you want to say and that is why I'm not listening to you.
My problem is this, that I bet to you say you don't know what I want to say. What I want to talk to you, don't know.
Okay. For the benefit of doubt, say it.
See, just collect this money. You understand? So let us do it in a way. Say you collect the money, then I go tell the woman, say you don't collect the money, say you don't walk away, say nothing happen again between me and you, nothing again. But me and you know say something still there. You understand? Just accept to collect the money first.
So that you do what you want, right?
No, but you go on and calm down now. I never talk finish. You don't they put mouth.
Go ahead.
See what in the there. I will just tell this woman, say, I don't give you the money. Say, nothing will happen. But this one a game between me and you. You understand? Say, na game. What you see they do, I don't know when you watch and you go continue what they do. But I will tell the woman, say, nothing happened to her. Immediately when you see the money, wow, you walk away.
Now I know your plan. So that whenever that noisemaker is around, I will not come to you. Is that it?
Something like that, whatever. Yeah. But you are right too. That woman is a noisy maker. I hate that idiot. How own too much? Anytime they go at unity, told you, you are the man who me. Oh yeah, father, harder. She's too her own. But Obologe, if not you, I like your own because you're not a noise maker. Your own is, I like it. That woman noise.
Stop telling me about that noise making woman. Go and tell her that I will not share my man with any woman. That includes her.
What's your problem now? What kind of woman being are you? And they tell you something. This is the opportunity. Good opportunity will they make money. Do you know what? You know how much? You remember how much you're telling? 250,000. That 250,000 alone don't be enough for our marriage. That money will settle our marriage. Cow.
Stop saying that nonsense, I beg.
No, they talk this thing.
That is satanic and illegal. I will not involve myself in it.
What will be illegal here now? What will be satanic here now? Say they collect money, the woman go give you this money, you collect 65%. I collect the remaining. Then everything they get. No be salary they collect. How much they pay me? If I collect my salary, you collect your salary. We see they collect from this woman. Before you know it, they will make money. And they tell you, say this thing me and this woman they do not be waiting to last forever. Who don't collect enough money, who push shy away, then we begin to do our own thing, relationship to marriage. Yeah?
Are you done?
Yes.
I said no.
You said no. Ka! You idiot. What right have you? Are you the papa? Are you the papa? Are you the one who the woman at charge? I'm able to help you here. I give this woman this thing. The one kiss me money. I the one give you. I'm giving you money. Who the money with her? Stop saying this nonsense now. I beg you now. I beg you now. Stop saying this nonsense. If I give the woman a hug, she will collect her own. Your own, though. Hush. Her own is your own. That's your own now. Your own. But her own, she give money and go. They will continue.
Can lead us to temptation. So beware of your actions. Steps you take, someone is.
I was thinking, it's about time we had a domestic aid.
Really? I thought I mentioned that to you earlier, but you declined.
That was because there was no need for that. Now it's obvious.
Okay, do you have anyone in mind?
Yes, I do.
Who?
Your secretary at the office.
Excuse you? What did you say? How? What do you mean? Why her? Of all women, why her?
Well, with the way things are now, I know I'm just going to be comfortable with her. We know her.
Stop being selfish here, okay? Listen, you know what? Don't even say that to me. I don't like the idea. No. Look for someone else.
Why?
Why? Because she works for me and you're trying to get her distracted from work. That's what you're trying to do.
She can handle both. This is just going to be part-time.
Part-time? What are you talking about? Have you told her about this already? What? Without my consent?
Babe, I just spoke to her about it. She actually accepted. Babe, we're about to eat. And I made your favorite, white rice and chicken stew. I don't know what your problem is.
You mean almighty pink color? Like the almighty? He's not taking your calls. For what?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Really? For how long now?
3 days.
Hey.
3 days. Nothing.
Eh? Almighty Pinkala is not taking your calls. Are you sure he is fine?
Yeah. He's okay. The lady that connected me to him has confirmed that he's fine.
Ah! He is tired of you. What else will make him not to take your calls?
That's a lie. He can never be tired of me, okay?
Listen, girl. Rule number 1. Married men don't keep women in relationship.
Let me tell you. It's a different case with us. Because, you know, he has assured me that he will have me to himself if only I am loyal and faithful to him.
Yeah.
What is funny?
Oh my God, oh my God. Ah! You be Mugu. Like you have been acting like you know it all. Girlfriend, you know nothing. Trust me. This guy don't chop you. Yeah, he don't chop you. For free. Let me tell you, he said all of that to you just to get you on his bed. And now he's done with you. He's kicking you out like nobody.
It's not true. I know Pinkala. He's probably busy. That's why he's not picking his calls.
They don't jones you. JJC. See, let me tell you. A man that actually loves a woman can never ignore her calls. For what now? Even when he sees her missed calls, he would definitely call back. I tell you for free. Ah! Girl, you know wise. Painkiller don't chop you for free. Oh God. Ah!
You are probably right. What do I do?
Oh my God. You see they laugh.
Laughing. Just advise me.
You see they ask me. All the advice I've been giving to you, what did you do with it? You throw and come on, they follow Painkiller. Now they don't shop and go. Shop and go.
Stop it.
No, let me tell you, so you go they feel am. Listen, don't ask me what you go do again. Just rush back to your real love and money. Go back to him and continue.
God forbid.
God forbid for what?
A man that
genuinely loves you.
I beg. Stop calling that name. I said give me advice. I did not say send me to hell.
Babe. Over the years, babe, this is the first time I'm asking you for a favor. Please do this for me.
So I have a simple question to ask you. Of all the women in the world, why her? I mean, are you trying to say there are no other women apart from her?
There are lots of them, but Ichema is still the one I can trust.
Oh, really? You trust her? So tell me, what has she done for you to earn her trust? I mean, why do you like her particularly? Why do you have to stick out your neck for her?
Babe, just leave that to me. I know.
You know I don't feel good about this.
I know you don't. I know you don't, but please. Just do this for me. Trust me on this one.
Alright. But listen and listen good.
Yeah.
If she as much as misbehaves, I won't hesitate to throw her out of this house.
Babe, trust me on this. I know what I want. I trust her.
Did you hear all I said?
Yes, I did.
Please take it seriously.
I will. I'll talk to her.
Good.
Thank you.
Body the sweeter, sweeter. Anything where you want, he go give you. Body the sweeter, sweeter. Anything where you want, he go give you. Money no be wala, wala. Make up run so boo, wala. Money no be wala.
Amani, I don't understand. I say I don't see people when like say they go change the money and buy the diamond ring. What you got to tell me? Bring them will go sell and beg.
Chidi, you heard me right. I said I have returned the money to the owner.
Why? Why? I don't understand. Tell me now, when?
Chidi, ever since that money has been with me under this roof with that diamond ring, bro, I've been having sleepless nights. I couldn't just sleep.
They be human, I make them. You be mugu. Why you even? Why you even behave? Which kind? I don't understand you. Which kind human be you be safe? Which kind augmentation you get for your head? Which augmentation they run for your brains? How? Which kind brain?
Chidi, calm down, all right? See, bro, what I did was what I felt it was right to do. Come on, that money doesn't belong to me. Don't you just get my point? I said I was having sleepless nights when that money was with me here. I had to return it. And ever since I returned it, my bro, I think I have my sanity.
Okay, no wahala now. Abi you say for night you no fit sleep because of the man. You dey get sleepless night. Okay, fine. And how much the man give you? If I bring the one the man give me, we'll share the money. What the man give you?
You don't give me anything, no.
You say?
You know me now. You don't give me anything.
If you $1, what? If you $1, the man will give you. If you want, which kind man be that? $1, just $1,000. The man will give you one.
Chidi, can you stop all this your parabolating? See, guy, let me tell you something. I did not return this money because I needed anything from that man, because I needed any sort of appreciation from him. Okay, well, maybe he didn't give me the money because I didn't ask for it. Assuming I asked for it, he might have gave it to me, but I didn't ask for it.
The man will get in your sense. For you to return that important item to the man, you're supposed to remit.
Well, Chidi, I think that he didn't give me anything because I did not ask for it.
My brother, you're not supposed to ask. That is the important. What is the important for man? You're supposed to get in your sense. If person see him for him, you're supposed to remit. Why they behave like this now, guy? Guy,
Chidi, calm down. Can you just calm down, bro? So you stop boiling. Stop elaborating, bro. Let me tell you something, guy. See, I did not return that money to that man because I needed anything from him. I returned that money because I need peace of mind.
As I see your face on money, I will see you are poverty. See poverty, see you here. See poverty, see you here. Poverty tie you together. Your thinking, don't wide. And person thinking, no wide, poverty go kill him. Poverty jam you.
God forbid.
No worry now.
God forbid.
God forbid, Abi. God forbid. Abi, God forbid. No worry.
Well, if that is how you want to make your own money, it's left for you.
Come on, dummy. What is this? This is like a prop. Jesus Christ. This is more like a presentation. When you're asked to send a CV, what is this? No. Who writes their name like this? What the hell is this? Who gets a job with a CV like this? No one. This is like a proper presentation.
Good afternoon, Pink Collar.
Really? I have told you never to come into this office without my consent. What are you doing here?
Yes, I know, but...
But what? Listen, I don't like to talk about anything else in this office apart from business.
I understand. But I was worried about you not picking your calls. I needed to be sure that you're fine. I had to come to check up on you.
You came to check up on me?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Yes, that's good. That's good. She came to check up on me. Okay. As you can see, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fantastic. Exit my office. Leave.
What?
I said you should leave. At least you're sure that I'm fine. You said you came to check up on me, right?
I should leave just like that?
Yes, just like that. I was doing something before you came in.
Of course. I will leave.
Oh, good.
But I just want to know, why are you not picking my calls?
I beg your pardon. Was that question for me? Why am I not taking your calls? Oh, really? Well, I strongly believe my cell phone belongs to me. I bought it with my money. So I can decide whose call to pick and whose call not to pick.
Why are you doing this? Did I do anything wrong to you? Why are you giving me this attitude?
Oh, here comes another question. Did I do anything wrong to you? Well, you see, if you were actually intelligent, smart, like you have always claimed to be, you probably would have seen the writing on the wall.
The writing on the wall?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
That I'm done with you. It's over between us.
What?
Listen, I am no longer interested.
Why?
Why? I don't owe you any explanation.
It's not fair. It's not fair. You can't just say it's over. It's not fair.
Listen to me, woman. You see, before you came into this office, I was doing something. And I would like to get back to work. And if you actually came to show me all of this backside, I don't miss you. Okay? Just take a walk. I don't miss it.
Call me. We need to talk about this.
There's nothing to talk about.
There's everything to talk about. We need to talk. Okay?
Okay, I'm gonna call you.
What time?
Hey, I don't know, but I'm gonna call you. Listen, I don't miss you. I don't miss, all the big butts and everything. Just go, please. Just leave my office. I have to get back to work.
We need to talk. You have to call me.
Can you take a walk, please? Can you exit my office?
Body the sweeter, sweeter. Anything where you want it go give you. Body the sweeter, sweeter. Anything where you want it go give you. Money no be wala, wala. Make up run so wala. Money no be wala, make up run so wala. Body the sweeter, sweeter. Talk what you want to go give you. Body the sweeter, sweeter. Anything you want to go give you. Jai jai jai. Ipampale dodo, jai 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 koko. Ipampale pompo, krikatam tempo paliwa. Mr. Pinkala, onebe bowe walwa, onebe bowe
Sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Amande, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
I can see you're busy with work.
Yes, sir. I was actually washing inside. Yes, sir. You came back as promised. Thank you, sir. So the clothes you want to be washed? Is it inside?
No. Come.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Every time, walk.
Sir, now wait till we take the package.
No, I'm
Yes,
here
sir.
not for you to iron my clothes or wash for me, okay? I'm here so we can talk.
Talk. Okay, sir. I hope all is well.
No, that's no problem.
Okay, let me. Let me use my.
No, don't worry yourself. Amande.
Sir. Hey.
Oh.
Welcome, sir.
Yes.
I don't have anything for me to offer you.
Sit down.
I should
Sit down, let's talk, okay?
Okay, sir.
Amani, are you a graduate?
Yes, sir. I'm a graduate.
What's your discipline?
I read economics and statistics from the University of Benin. I came out with first class, sir.
You came out with first class?
Yes, sir.
Then what are you doing here?
It's a long story, sir. You see, after I graduated from school, I couldn't find a job. So I used the little money I saved from my NYSC to establish here. Ever since then, I've been feeding from here and having some little savings for myself as well.
So what if you have an opportunity to work with you?
Yes, sir. I will. I'll be glad if I have the opportunity.
Yeah, the opportunity for you to work and earn a better living is here.
I don't understand, sir.
Amani, I am a CEO of a conglomerate. And I've been looking for someone I can trust to be my manager. After what you displayed by returning my money, my diamond ring, I feel there's no point searching for a manager anymore. I will employ you as my manager and you will start work on Monday.
Sir, is this sort of a joke?
No. You will earn 500,000 naira monthly, an official car, and a house.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad. Thank you, sir. Oh my goodness, is this a dream? Oh no, somebody should wake me up from this dream. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you. God bless you, sir. God bless you. God
It
bless
is
you.
okay. It is not a dream. This is reality. Okay? Stand up first.
Thank you, sir.
You see, your future is staring in your face. Like I said, you will start your work on Monday. Today is Wednesday. You have the whole of this week to sort yourself. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Do not worry. The future is bright.
God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir. Sir, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Girl, this leave is good for you.
You can't say that again. All work and no play makes Ella
A dog girl. I wish I was on leave with you.
So what would happen if we have been on leave together?
Of course, we'll flex together.
Each year. Your point. I swear.
Babe, guess what happened 2 days back?
Storyteller. What happened?
Come on, I always love to share my joys with you.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Lady Moon asked me to double as her help.
What an insult. What's the meaning of that? Does she know that you are a lady of class?
Of course she does. And that's why she asked me to double as her help. And I will do it.
You didn't just say that.
I did. Listen, I've been waiting for an opportunity to get close to the family of Pink Color. And here is that opportunity I've always longed for.
Baby girl, what are you planning?
Soon you will know about it.
Here she goes again. Soon.
I mean, it's not time. I'll let you in.
I can't wait for the time to come anyways.
Don't worry, when that time comes, I'll definitely get you in.
Well, I can't wait for that time to come.
Of course.
So, babe, tell me, how do you intend to double your work as a house help and a secretary?
Oh, my dearest friend. I have it all planned out. You have nothing to worry about.
Can you please share with me?
Why do you want to know?
Who knows? I might get same opportunity tomorrow now.
So now you want to start living my life?
No, I just want to know. Your head is always full of ideas.
Baby, What happened to your own hair?
Babe, please stop.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So let's proceed. Do we have the budget now?
Yes, over here.
Oh no, it's okay. You don't have to show me. Just tell me, how much are we looking at?
10 million.
10 million?
Yes. 10 million naira will take care of the artists and the entire production.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, so when do we start?
As soon as my account beeps, I'll start the arrangement. The pre-production, production, post-production, everything will be taken care of.
Oh.
Then every other arrangement follows and finally the starting date.
Brilliant. Most importantly, my package.
Oh, wow. I already have 3 for you.
You don't mean it?
I do.
You have 3 for me? Wow!
It all depends on when and where you want to meet them.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yes.
Wait, did you brief them about the entire situation? Like, what's involved? Did you tell them?
I did. They are all in.
Aha! I like this. Listen, I like you.
Thank you, sir.
We're going to do business for a very long time. Yeah, just get prepared for me. All right? So, send me your details and we'll get started ASAP.
I will do that as soon as possible. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Nice.
Told you. So, I made no mistake in my choice.
I never said you made a mistake. I just said it's nice.
I know. So, what exactly are you working on currently?
So I have a deal with the Kogi state government.
Okay.
They want me to supply them trucks.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's huge.
Mm-hmm.
So, how are you going to go about it? Because I know you don't have that number of vehicles that you come out.
Well, they have paid, so I'll order some of the trucks from China.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
That's good. So, are you going to put your estate construction work on hold so you can handle that?
No, I don't have to do that. I can multitask.
It's okay. That's good.
Mm.
If you ask me,
Mm-hmm.
I would really want to be part of your business.
Why?
I like what you do and I want to work with my husband.
But you have your own business.
I can handle both.
Okay, listen, why don't you focus on yours and when the time comes, I'll let you come join us.
That's what you say all the time.
No, but I'm serious.
It's okay.
Be patient.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, let's take this call. Hello? Yes? Okay, I'll have to show you. Just give me a second.
Okay. Everything alright?
Give me a second, please. Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, so the moment I get your... Once I see your email, I'll respond. But that's the price. Yes. Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Was really close.
Steps you take, someone is watching. It's your way. Shut way to destruction. Shut way. Shut way to destruction. Shut way. Shut way to destruction. That seems right to you. The way. Shut way to destruction. Shut way. Shut way to destruction. The way. Shut way to destruction.
Who you are talking about? You didn't even tell me that you're coming.
I didn't even know I was coming until I discovered she's married.
Ah, she's married? Who? Who is married?
You asking me? Your sugar mommy.
Nah, what is sister? Who is sugar mommy? I don't like all this. Who is sugar mommy again? What exactly are you talking about now?
The woman you've been sleeping with is another man's wife.
You started again, oh. You started again, oh. I remember we had this kind of discussion before, and I told you I can never do. Oh, not to ever make me do that. What you carry me go for where person we don't marry there.
But that just has lured you into something you vowed not to do.
But I want to be this now. Because I will appreciate if you just come out plain. Stop bending words. Just tell me.
Tony, the woman you've been sleeping with is married.
It's a lie. That's a lie.
I know she will deny it, but I have the proof. Go and ask her.
But you and I know that she will also deny it. It's not happening. You deny it now.
If she denies it, tell me, I'll bring proof. I have my proof.
Hi. You never need for you to go now.
No, I'm going, I beg.
Do that now. Take him easy now. I don't know, say this woman I'm married. This woman has just made me something that I have vowed that I would never do.
Let me go now.
No, please now. You see, seeing you alone has just triggered something. In fact, every part of my life now is at attention. Please, just let's go inside. Fire me a little there before you leave. Go.
You're not serious. You should be talking of how to cleanse yourself from sleeping with another man's wife. And you're asking me to attack you. Are you okay? I beg, open the gate, let me go. I beg, shift.
Give my kid now. You want to go with it? Never pay idiot. Easy. I'm not sure I want to walk out. God. Hey, women are a different breed entirely. So,
okay, Kelly, what is it?
Why did you do that?
Why did I do what? Come on, I've done a whole lot of things today, so you have to be specific.
Oh, stop acting dumbfounded about this. Huh? Why did you do what you had to do?
Take a good look at me. Do I look like a spirit to you? How will I know what you are talking about if you do not voice it out?
Alright. So why did you have to link Lady Moon to that moron?
Well, you failed to keep your own end of the bargain. So I had no other choice than to do what I did.
But I explained this thing to you. Huh? I told you that I'll give you your 45% immediately Lady Moon pays.
My dear, that is not how the deal is done. Okay?
Baby, look, I understand how it's been done, okay? But I explained the situation to you. You just have to understand me.
And I'm trying to tell you that there is no dull moment in this game.
You're being too fast on this.
Whatever. I just need my money, that's all. My percentage.
You know what? Take that guy off him, man. I'll pay your money by weekend.
I am not taking that guy off until I see my money.
You're being too serious on this, you know that, right?
Well, as long as it has to do with money.
Alright, fine. You know what? I'm a born hustler. I'll go hustle, then get you your money. But I want you to withdraw that guy out of that line. I don't want him there again, okay?
I want you to understand something, Kelly. You know what they say about money? Money talks. And bullshit works. Go get my money.
Listen up. I'm a born hustler. I'm gonna get that money. I'll make sure you return my woman back to me.
Good luck finding my money.
My life. Yes, I'm telling you.
Now, I have to be alone. You're going to everything? Yes, ma'am. Okay, well, good night, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I just want to stop back. You have an idea that you can do. Just in case on your way, I will not go to the you know, I will let you know. Thank you. Good night, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.